In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks of a project in Asana. Let's dive right in and get those tasks back where they belong. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Asana project. Once you're there, navigate towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the search icon. It's a familiar friend when you're looking to track something down quickly. Click on it to get started. Now that you've clicked the search icon, your next step involves a tiny but mighty symbol, the three dots icon. You'll find it right within your search options. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a new menu. From there, you're going to select the option labeled Go to Advanced Search. This feature is your gateway to more refined searching capabilities. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to filter and dig deeper into your data in Asana, making it much easier to find specific information like deleted tasks. With your advanced search menu open, you'll see various criteria you can set, but our focus today is on status. You'll need to set the status to deleted. This step is crucial because it tells Asana that we're specifically searching for tasks that have been removed. After setting the status, go ahead and click on Search. Watch as Asana does its magic, sifting through the project to display a list of deleted tasks, brought right to your screen. Once the list of deleted tasks appears, you're almost there. Take a moment to glance through the list and locate the task that you want to recover. As you hover over the task names, you'll notice a trash icon appearing right next to each task name. This icon is your ticket to recovery. Click on the trash icon next to the task name you wish to undelete. This action will promptly restore the task back into your active Asana project. You'll see it back in its rightful place, as if it had never been deleted in the first place. It's incredibly satisfying to see those tasks restored back to life. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. With just a few clicks, and by using Asana's powerful search tools, you're able to effortlessly recover any accidentally deleted tasks from your projects. It's a quick process that's both efficient and user-friendly, ensuring nothing important is ever truly lost. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you better manage your projects in Asana.